Good day, everyone. I am Roddy Salilo. I am 25 years old, single, and I'm from San Miguel, Talacag, Bukidnon. And I've finished my bachelor's degree in Xavier University, Ateneo de Cagayan, with Bachelor of Elementary Education, General Education. And I am currently working in Santa Teresita of Marine Community School, Miarayon, Talacag, Bukidnon. It is a Jesuit institution, and I am teaching Araling Panlipunan 3, 4, 5, and 6 and Filipino 4 and 5. The reason why I advanced my educational journey into this master's degree level is for me to be able to explore the different facets of education, most especially on the effective learning strategies. What are the things that we need to consider in order to become an effective leader, an inclusive leader, and also to consider also on how to really develop the curriculum and also the school. And it is really an important decision for me because I want to set standard and become an inspiration to the young generations of indigenous peoples that even we belong to the minority, we can still achieve bigger things for ourselves and for the community. And significant experience that I've had with my boss is when the time that I am about to take the licensure examination, knowing that I don't have a plenty or abundance of resources, but because they encourages me to continue, because they supported me, I've successfully passed the licensure examination, and also even after these days, they continue to encourage me to become better and to consider what's best for the learner.